Here I have Motorola Moto E20, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just open keypad on your device and enter the secret code, which is *pound *pound 2486 pound **, and that's how you can enter this mode. So here in this mode you can test different features of your device, like for example battery, Bluetooth, audio, camera, display, I don't know, sensor, touch screen, and a lot of other these modes. So that's how you can test, for example, your touch screen, or like this. So yeah, you can test your headset, check different info about your device, you can test SIM card, and a lot of other features, like not only in this menu and these menus too. Okay, so this was just the exit button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.